Hey guys, how are you? This video is very misleading. I hope you enjoy watching. This is the happy part of the story. The sad part is that it's all fake. Just bring a damaged bulb to put your fake bullshit in it. 3-volt LEDs that operate on a small battery. The unknown soldier is the magnetic reed switch, which closes the circuit when it gets close to any magnet. Hide all of this inside the LED bulb, and then whatever comes close to it to light up contains a magnet. This hoax unfortunately brings in billions of views. Thanks for watching.